Quick and easy chicken Manchurian. Spicy, tangy, and absolutely delicious. I will show you how to make it at home. Golden fried chicken tossed in a rich flavorful sauce. This recipe is ready in minutes. Hit like and subscribe for more. "500 grams chicken, cut into cubes. Corn flour 4 tablespoons. 1 egg. Marinate the chicken cubes with corn flour, egg, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and salt. Shallow fry the marinated chicken in hot oil until golden and crispy. For sauce: red bell pepper 1 cup, cubed. Onion 1 cup, cubed. Green capsicum 1 cup, cubed. Soy sauce 2 tablespoons. Tomato ketchup 2 tablespoons. White vinegar 2 tablespoons. Corn flour 2 tablespoons. Ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon. Sugar 1 tablespoon. Chili flakes 1 teaspoon. Paprika powder 1 teaspoon. Salt to taste. 1 cup chicken stock. Add ginger garlic paste to 2 tablespoons to oil. And sauté until it turns golden brown. Add chicken stock and sauces. Let simmer for 5 minutes to enhance the flavor. Add vegetables and cook for 1 minute. Veggies should stay crunchy, not soft. Mix corn flour with some water, then add to the sauce. And stir until it thickens. Once the sauce thickens, add the fried chicken. And mix well. Delicious chicken Manchurian is ready to serve. Thanks for watching.